Why mess with a bad thing?
Alright, we had lunch, took a break. We're gonna do a little race. We're gonna do 3 laps. Oh shit, I don't wanna be in the front. Full tires. Pushed him out, baby! Woo! He's gonna catch up here. Hey, I made it without hitting tires. Mike is coming. Oh no. I don't know if it's this last one or we got one more. Hey! I got second. Dun, 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 dun. I'm on the podium with the second out of 4. That's pretty good. Victory wheelies. That was fun.
Take me out in the first lap.
Hey! He pushed you first, I just followed him.
I'm like, oh fuck, I look over, I see you coming. And then he's coming like straight at me.
As soon as you went, I just followed you. I was like, yeah, he'll move. He went in the dirt.
I'm like, fuck.
Let's do it again.
I'll start in the back.
Okay. Oh, you're starting way back there. That's a generous handicap. I'll start here. I'll start third. Look at it back there. Alright. Race number 2. He's already here. He already got back up. Oh, you know what's probably better? He got some speed. He's so fast. Look at me go. Oh man, on this turn too. Oh, maybe that's the key, going really tight there. And then having a lot of runoff. Ripped in there. Alright, we're on second lap. Oh, Mike's pushing me out. Oh, what a pass, Mike, what a pass. I think going inside there is better. coming up. Oh, he's on my ass. Oh no. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Oh shit, might blow this bitch up. Second. Victory wheelies. Damn it. I want to do a victory wheelie over the start finish. That didn't happen. Oh, that was fun. Dude on the 100. No way I'm keeping up with that dude. He is so quick. But I didn't know he could take the inside right here. I think that's what I'll do. Just kind of bring it in tight and then track out. I mean, in racing it might be a little harder, but I like that a lot better. Maybe even right here too. Track in. Oh shit, too far. And then, well, it'd be nice if those tire walls weren't there. I wonder if they keep those there for races, or if they take those down. Let's do wheelies over the thing. All right, guys, we're gonna end this video here. Bushnell was great. We highly recommend coming out. Details to follow. We'll get a event scheduled. Where am I going? And yeah, I think maybe we start doing some racing in the future. Let me know what you guys think. Should we do some racing? I think it's a whole nother ballpark. So we'll come out here on a Sunday, see how they do, and maybe do some racing with the local group down here, which is SFL Minis. And then yeah, we'll see. First I gotta take the KOSO back out, but anyway, go ahead and end this video here. If you guys enjoyed the track day, if you want to see more of this, let me know. If you want to attend, also let me know. We will pick it up with a regular motovlog in a couple days. From all of us at Bushnell Motorsports Park, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hey, race bike.
Connected.